Hello everyone, welcome to the cercinsbuild. I'm Robert and for this project we are going to build a wooden massage table. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss it. And before we start the video, like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Okay, first thing we need to do is find the lumber for this specific project. For the table legs I'm going to use this 10 by 10 centimeters. And for the top I'm going to glue up 8 of these 10 by 3 centimeters. So I got 6 legs for the table. And also what I have got is 8 of these boards for the top plate. At the moment that's all I need. Later on I will get the other lumber for the under table shelf and other things. So I just plane all of these boards with this hand planer. So now they are ready for the glue up. Alright, now they are ready for the sanding and the cuts. This is my setup for the glue up. I'm going to do this outside because I don't have enough space inside in my garage. So we will try it outside. Alright, I have some leftovers of this glue and this new glue. I'm gonna use it both. Now I'm searching lumber for the shelf and the other good stuff. Let's go, finally get all the parts. Now I'm ready to sand them and put together. It's finally time for the most important cut of this project. So you can see the shape I have to cut for the head. This is before and this is after I use the router for the edges. Finally all the parts are sanded and they are smooth as they can be and they are ready to put together, so stay tuned because this is gonna be interesting. And for the finish I'm going to use this one, no sponsored. Okay, all the parts are painted and they look so good. Now they are ready to put together and the massage table will be done. All the parts are here and this is the place where the massage table will sit. Thank you for building with me this massage table. It took me about 2 weeks to build it. And if you enjoyed this project, like the video and subscribe for more content like this. I'm out.